Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Ford F-250. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps as well as easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Hankook tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now, you have cruise as well as audio and temperature controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are down here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.